Hazrat Quraib has reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam set forth from Medina Munawwara on the 25th of Zulqad and reached Makkah Muazzama on the 4th of Zulhajj. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha narrates, on the 25th of Zulqada, we set forth along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we intended nothing but to perform Hajj. When we reached near Makkah Mukarramah, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoso has no sacrificial animal should take off ihram, provided he has made the circuit of the Kaaba and marched between Safa and Marwa." Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, on the day of sacrifice, the flesh of a cow was brought to us. When I inquired about it, it was expressed, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has sacrificed a cow on behalf of his wives. Yahya says, when I narrated this hadith to Hazrat Qasim bin Muhammad, he said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, she has narrated this hadith to you in a right way. Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 2952.